Hi friends. How are you? Are you fine? Today we are going to talk about 4 small physical changes that you need to pay attention to. Taking care of your body and being healthy is a daily job. And to achieve this we must be aware of the little signs and signals that our body sends us. As it is not always easy to do it yourself, discover in this article 8 small physical changes that must be taken care of to be healthy because they can hide many problems. Let's go. 1. The parched/cracked lips. The cracked or parched lips are sometimes due to cold, but in many cases they are caused by allergies. Pay attention to the cosmetics you use, the food you eat, and you may be able to stop these problems. Cracks in the corner of the mouth can also indicate vitamin A, B and E deficiencies, so pay attention. 2. The red face. It is normal to blush when the temperature increases, in case of consumption of alcohol or intense effort, but outside this frame, it is less so. Women over 40 tend to blush more than younger women because as menopause approaches, some of their hormone levels decline. For other people, redness may be indicative of the presence of a skin infection. 3. Dry hand or parched skin on the body. With the winter cold, it is quite normal to have the skin drier than usual. Different solutions are available to you. Use moisturizer, hydrate yourself well, take vitamins. However, if that is not enough, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Indeed, having dry skin is one of the signs associated with diabetes and hypothyroidism. 4. Pale lips with sharp contours. The bottom of your lower lip is red and slightly swollen. This may indicate that you are very sensitive to UV rays. If this is the case, do not hesitate to limit your exposure to the sun by using cosmetics adapted to the lips. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again next time. Bye bye.